Hello friends, today now we'll analyze the Nifty chart. If I come to 1 hour and see what might be the possible entry exit for tomorrow, I'll try to draw some support and see for Nifty 19,000, I mean sorry 18,940 was a resistance for some time now. I think it took the support, I mean it took the resistance for multiple times. If you see 1 2 3 4 5 times it took the support, I mean it took the resistance here, and finally it gave the breakout a couple of days back. So this was a 940 was a was may act like a support now. So if I go to 15 minutes, let's see in lower time frame is it forming something. So if I go to a 5 minute chart, so if I just see, it gave the breakout and it was coming, it was taking a retracement, it was having a pullback. And if I draw something here, look at this. So this was a breakout at this level, and from this I think it rallied almost 100 points. So if I make this slash and try to see, uh, do you see here the pattern what I was looking for? You can see this inverse head and shoulder pattern here. The inverse head and shoulder pattern, and suddenly instead of it did not give the breakout at this level, it should have been ideally giving the breakout at maybe around 1231, breaking this head and shoulder inverse head and shoulder pattern, but it again retraced and gave the breakout at around 2 o'clock. But anyhow, you could have entered at this level. You the one should have waited to close a candle, having to close a candle above 17,940, and then could have entered into call position. At least from this level it rallied almost to 50 points. Now the currently it's around 18,000 level. So this was the ideal condition. I think it if this would have been here, I think if the breakout would have been at 1230, I think you could have seen a move of at least till 18,100, 200, at least 100, points, since it gave the breakout at around 2 o'clock at the end of the session market. I think it gave only 50 points breakout. So this was the pattern. I think. I think everybody should look for some pattern before entering or any trade. You should look for these patterns, whether it's forming any pattern or market is showing any condition or some kind of reverse or this is clearly, if you can see, market after hitting the market after I think 18,050 levels, market was coming down. It was having a retracement, and suddenly you wait for some kind of reversal, and you see this inverse head and shoulder pattern at 5 minutes chart. See this, and you see inverse head and shoulder pattern as this level since 18,940, I mean 17,940 was a clear support. I mean 940 was a clear resistance level, so it gave the breakout and it moved almost 50 points again. So you see, if you see, this gave the breakout, it did halt for some time here, and again it gave a breakout. So this is also a flag and pole pattern where it is making some a pole, and it is making a flag pattern here, waiting for, and then again giving a again 50 points move. So this was a classical inverse head and shoulder pattern which gave a breakout. So what we can do tomorrow, I think if the Nifty opens flat, you can maybe probably wait for these levels where it was consolidating, maybe at around 960 970 levels. Wait for this level and see if you find any bullish candle here, and after that if it crosses this bullish candle, if any candle crosses this bullish candle, you can enter in call option. and you can have a stop loss at the low of this bullish candle. So maybe you can target at least for this levels, at least this level you can have the target, maybe another 100 points, keeping around 20-30 points as a stop loss. You can target for 100 points if it is opening flat and coming down and taking support at this level. So this was my analysis. Let's see what happens tomorrow, and till then, see you. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.